Every day, we are bombarded with information, but how do we know what's true?
Welcome to the world of media information literacy. It's time to take control of what you consume.
Step 1. Evaluate your sources. Check the author, the publication, and the date. Is it reliable?
Step 2. Cross-check information. Look for multiple sources that confirm the same story.
Step 3. Understand bias. Every source has a perspective. Recognize it to get a fuller picture. Step 4. Think critically. Ask yourself, who benefits from this information? Why was it created?
Be media smart. Join us in becoming media literate. Share this video and empower others to navigate the information landscape wisely.